Hello and welcome back to another quick tips episode. Today I talk about aluminum oxide and ceramic belts. Both belts have the same amount of grit, that is 40 grit, that is the amount of particles on the belt, and we are going to look at how differently they perform. To demonstrate these differences, I'm going to use this axe head, which is a current project of mine, as well as these two nails, which have the same length and material. Alright, if we take a closer look, the only real difference is the color. The structure of the grain looks very similar, so let's have a look how differently they perform. Let's start this test with the aluminum oxide belt on my belt grinder attachment from Multitool Products. Just FYI, I've moved my platen back, so I'm grinding on the slack belt. Alright, here comes the axe head, and you will see a lot of sparks, which is to be expected when you are working with a high carbon steel. A lot of sparks usually indicate that there is also a lot of heat, which can be bad. Alright, let's quickly swap the aluminum oxide belt against the ceramic belt, and if I haven't mentioned it yet, the ceramic belts usually cost twice as much as the same grit aluminum oxide. I'm trying to use the same amount of pressure here as before, and as you can see there are far fewer sparks than the aluminum oxide belt. Okay, let's get to the second part of the test, the stock removal on the nails. I tried to use the same amount of pressure and time. As you can see here again, a lot of sparks and discoloration. On the ceramic belt, far fewer sparks and hardly any discoloration. If we compare the two next to each other, the difference becomes very obvious. I hope this video was useful to you, and if so, I would appreciate your comments down below. I'll also leave a link to the belts that I've used. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.